A roadway is a complex environment with people and vehicles often moving in unexpected ways. The NEXO's Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist system is on the alert. If it determines that a collision with a vehicle or a pedestrian is about to happen, it warns you and can even apply the brakes. How does it work? A camera mounted on the windshield connects with a radar sensor in the lower grille to look for vehicles or pedestrians in the road ahead. If it determines that a collision is likely, it sounds an alarm and flashes a visual alert. If an impact is imminent and you are traveling under 40 miles per hour, it can apply the brakes to limit its severity. But Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, or FCA, only works once it is activated. You do that on the navigation screen. To activate the system, make sure that the ignition is on. Then press the setup key below the navigation screen. Select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Forward Safety. Here you have options. If you choose Active Assist, FCA alerts you if a collision is likely and can apply the brakes if one is imminent. If you select Warning Only, the system alerts you but does not apply the brakes. That is your responsibility. If you select Off, the system is deactivated. You'll notice that the FCA warning light on the right side of the instrument cluster is illuminated. You can also adjust how soon the system alerts you if a collision is likely. Press the Setup key below the navigation screen. Select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Warning Timing. You will see two options, Normal and Later. If Normal is selected, the system is sensitive, alerting you early to potential incidents. If Later is selected, the forward collision warning is activated at a smaller distance between your vehicle and the vehicle or pedestrian ahead. It's important to know that changes to warning timing are universal. They can impact other safety systems. You should also know that FCA will only function if you are traveling above 5 miles per hour and the electronic stability control system in your vehicle has not been turned off. FCA is an outstanding safety feature, but has its limits. For example, it may not fully function when driving on a curving road, on a slope, or while changing lanes. For a full list, see your owner's manual. Remember, you are the one driving your vehicle. The Hyundai Forward Collision Avoidance Assist system can help, but safe driving is your responsibility.